Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that on expiry day market did not show that kind of movement and it opens a gap up above 200 point and after that it continuously goes up and yesterday also our target was achieved because it made high around 43,770, but right now it trades around 43,475. So my suggestion would be it made a doji candle here, so it needs to trade above that range for taking any kind of buying trade, or if it trades below that range then you can take trade for selling. So in one day candles that it kind of looks sideways to me, but for taking any kind of buying or selling trade you need to look into 15-minute candle. In between candle you can clearly see that market opens gap up and after that it continuously shows a negative movement here, and right now it trades in a range. So as I said in one day candle chart, if it trades above that range then you can take trade for buying, but for that it needs to open gap up or opens flat, then after that you can take trade for buying. But you can clearly see that it kind of made M pattern here. So if it opens flat or opens gap down and if it trades below 43,430 or round level 400 and shows strong negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 43,252, round level 43,100. So in bank nifty it kind of goes sideways. So if it opens a gap up or opens flat and shows strong positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, but if it shows any kind of negative movement then you can take trade for selling. In Nifty, it kind of made a negative candle here because it opens gap up around that 18,350, and after that it made high around 18,400. But right now it trades around 18,300. So if it opens flat or opens gap down and if it try to trade below 18,280 or 270 and shows any kind of strong negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and our target will be 18,200. And if it took support from that 18,200 or another 2 or 3 days and shows strong positive movement, then you can also consider it for buying. But for taking any kind of buying or selling trade, you need to look into 15-minute candle. In 15-minute candle, it also goes sideways because you can clearly see that it opens gap up around 18,350 or 60 level, and after that it continuously goes down, but it immediately took support around that low level. And you can clearly see that it did not break that today's highs. That means those sellers who took any kind of selling trade, that did not want market to go up. So kind of looks negative to me, but if it opens flat or opens gap down and if shows any kind of negative movement, or if it trades below 18,280 or 270, then you can take trade for selling. And as I said, our target will be 18,222, round level 18,200. It may be happen that if it opens gap up and if it trades above 18,330 or 18,350, because we have seen continuous resistance around that zone. So if it trades above that and shows strong positive movement, then you can continuously take trade for buying, and our target will be 18,400 to 420. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty option, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components during market hours, because Bank Nifty components are provided that movement to Bank Nifty components. If you capture Bank Nifty components movement, then you can easily take trade in Bank Nifty options and you can easily make profit in Bank Nifty options. Our first component will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that when it trades above that 1680 level, it shows strong positive movement here, and it also made high around 1690 level. But right now it trades around 1653. So my suggestion would be, if it once again trades below 1650 and shows strong negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and our target will be 1640 to 1635. Now let's look into ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, it right now trades around that 940 level, and it also try to trade above that 940 level. So right now it kind of looks negative to me because from that higher side it kind of shows negative movement here. So if it goes down or if it trades below 938 or 37 and shows strong negative movement, then you can take trade for selling. Target will be around 933 to round level 930. Now let's look into SBI Bank. In SBI, it kind of looks negative to me because it tried to trade above that 580 level, but it could not sustain there. And yesterday, it also made high around 580. So if today market opens gap down or opens flat and shows a negative movement, or if trades below 570, then you can take trade for selling. Target will be around 565 to round level 560. Now let's look into Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, it also tried to trade above 1970 to 1980 level, but it could not sustain there. And previously, we have seen resistance around that zone. So my suggestion would be, if market today opens gap down or opens flat and shows any kind of negative movement or trades below 1953 or 54, then you can take trade for selling. Target will be around 1942, round level 1933. Now let's look into Axis Bank. In Axis Bank, it tried to trade above that 900 level, and previously I told you that if it opens flat or opens gap up and shows strong positive movement, then you can trade for buying, and target will be around 900 level. So yesterday it made high around 900 level, and right now it looks positive to me. If it opens flat or opens gap up, and if it trades above 897 or 98 and shows strong positive movement, then you can trade for buying. Target will be around 900 level to 905. Now let's look into IndusInd Bank. In IndusInd Bank, it right now trades below a 1200 level, and it also try to trade above 1200 level. So my suggestion would be, if in 1 or 2 days, if it once again try to trade above 1200 level, then you can take trade for buying. Target will be around 1220 to 1240. But right now, if it opens gap up and if it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, because from the last 4 days we have seen continuous strong positive movement and large positive movement also. So if it shows any kind of negative movement that higher side, then you can take trade for selling. So that's all about today, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, then let me know in the comment box. And if you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel.